Hi, good morning again. This is Teacher Rod, your LNS teacher. Okay, today I'm going to discuss or explain Unit 12. Unit 12 is a part of Unit together with Unit 11. Okay, wherein the big questions in these units is how do our bodies work? So in this Unit 12, you will be learning, okay, what are the different system or organs that we have. Okay, so are you excited? Though I know you already have an ideas about this one. But of course, okay, because this is a part of our lesson, and these are the words that you will encounter in the whole unit. So it's really important for you to understand. So now, let's start. Open your book in page 116. So first word is, okay, you have to listen carefully and say the words or pronounce the word, okay, after the audio. So you will learn how to say the word correctly. Okay, first word is called
system.
Okay, system. Again?
System.
Okay, system. How to say the words correctly? Again?
System.
Okay, so what is a system? Okay, so system.
A group of things or parts that work together.
Okay, these are the different system or body system that we have. So system is a group of things or parts that work together. Okay? Example, each system in our body or in your body has many parts working together. Okay? So these are example of your body system. Okay. Now let's go to the next word, okay? Our next word is, okay, what is this? Do you have any idea about what is this? Okay, this is
the red liquid inside your body.
Okay, it's the red liquid inside your body. Do you know what is it? Okay, now let's check what is this word. Okay, this word is
blood.
Blood. Say the word again.
Blood.
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 Okay, again.
Blood.
Okay, blood is, look at this picture. You see this picture? The red liquid inside our body or your body is called blood. Okay, now let's go to the next word. Okay, next word is, okay, oh, look at this picture. But what is this word? Okay, this word is
heart.
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 Heart. Say the word again.
Heart.
Okay. This is the picture of the heart. Okay, what is a heart?
The part of the body that makes the blood go around inside.
Okay. The blood of, or the part of the body that makes the blood go around, okay, inside, okay? So this is a heart. So this helps pumps the blood, right? Okay, for example, Judy's heart beat quickly as she ran up the stairs. So this is what we called again heart. Okay, this is a heart. Okay, now let's go to the next word. Okay, what is our next word? Next word is, do you know what is it? Okay, this is an
arteries.
Arteries. Say the word again.
Arteries.
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 Okay, arteries. Okay, look at this picture. Okay, so this one is the arteries. Okay, can you see it? This one. Okay. So what is an arteries?
The tubes in your body that carry blood away from your heart to other parts of your body.
Okay, it's a tube in your body, okay, that carries blood away from your heart to the other parts of your body. Okay, example, Arthur eats low-fat food to keep his arteries healthy. Okay, when these arteries are being blocked by fats, okay, so there will be a possibility that a person might have a stroke, you know, because the blood can no longer, okay, goes into the different parts of the body. Okay, so the instances is it will explode these arteries, okay? So you have to take care. most especially your mom and your dad. Tell them. Next. Okay, next one is, what is this? The same picture. Okay. What is that again? That is, say the word again. Say the word.
Veins.
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 Say the word again.
Veins.
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 Okay.
Veins.
Okay, look at a picture of this veins. Veins is the small.
The small tubes in your body that carry blood to the heart.
Okay, this one is the one that carries blood, okay, to the heart. Okay, did you see this picture? Look at this one. This is the arteries. Okay, this one are the arteries. Okay, but this one is what we call veins. Okay. So a small tube in your body that carry blood to the heart. Okay. A while ago, again, what is arteries? Is to remember. Okay, it's also a small tube, but what is the difference between these two? Okay, let's try to go back from that part. Okay, tubes in our body that carry blood away from your heart. Okay, so away from your heart is arteries, but veins is carry blood to the heart. Okay, hope you understand this. For example, Sasha could see tiny blue veins under her skin. So veins are usually color blue. Okay, next, let's go to the next word. Next word is, what is this? Okay, it's called
capillaries. Capillaries. Capillaries.
Capillaries.
Capillaries.
Okay.
Capillaries. Capillaries.
Okay, capillaries or capillary. Okay. So look at this one. Ooh. Capillaries are
the smallest tubes in the body that carry blood.
Okay, the smallest tube in the body that carries blood. Look at this one. Look at this picture. Okay, this picture. This one. Okay, if you will see this vein, and then the other one on the other side is the arteries or artery, and this one is capillary. Okay. Example: a capillary is smaller than an artery or a vein. Okay, so that is smaller. Capillaries is smaller than artery and vein. Next, let's go to the next word. Okay, the next word is called, guess what is
the
this?
The 2 parts inside your body that you use for breathing.
Do you see these 2 parts? Do you know this one? Do you have any idea about this one? So what is this word? This word is called,
lungs. Lungs.
Lungs. Lungs. Okay, so what is lungs? Okay, lungs is
the 2 parts inside your body that you use for breathing.
Okay, the 2 parts inside your body that you use for breathing. This is very important. So we have to take care of this one. Okay, so if your dad is smoking, you have to tell him that smoking is not good to his lungs. Okay, because this is used for breathing. Okay, for example, Andy has powerful lungs because he exercises often. Okay, so here again, the picture here, the 2. Okay, this one is called 2 parts inside your body that you use for breathing is called lungs. Okay, next word. Let's go to the next word. What is this word? Okay, what is this word?
Trachea.
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 Trachea. Say the word again.
Trachea.
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 Okay, what is trachea? Okay, trachea is
the tube in your throat that carries air to the lungs. The tube in your throat that carries air to the lungs. The tube in your throat that carries air to the lungs.
Okay, the tube in your throat that carries air to the lungs. So you will find this trachea in your throat. Okay. Example, your trachea lets air into your lungs. Okay, now let's go to the next word. Okay, next word is, what is this? You have any idea what is this?
The muscle between your lungs and your stomach that helps you to breathe.
Okay, this is the muscle between your lungs, okay, and your stomach, okay, that helps you breathe. What is this? Okay, this word is called
Diaphragm.
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 Okay. So diaphragm is the muscle between your lungs and your stomach that helps you breathe. Okay, example, the baby's diaphragm moved in and out as he or she slept. Okay, so sometimes we have to, when we sing a song, we have to get it from our diaphragm. Okay, so it will give you a nice voice. Okay, diaphragm. Okay, next word is, what is the next word? Okay, okay, the next word is
Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide.
okay, carbon dioxide. What is carbon dioxide? Okay, carbon dioxide is
A gas that has no color or smell that people and animals breathe out.
okay, a gas that has no color or smell that people, animals breathe out. Okay, this is the one we breathe out. Okay, because this needs by the plants to grow. But the air or the gas that we breathe in is called. Do you have any idea what is that? That is what we call oxygen, right? Okay, we release carbon dioxide, but we take in oxygen. Okay, so we breathe carbon dioxide out of our mouths. Okay, when you say in, oxygen. When you say out, carbon dioxide. Okay, next one, what is this? Okay, do you have any idea what is this? Okay.
The beating of your heart that you feel in different parts of your body, especially in your wrist.
Okay, the beating of your heart, okay, that you feel in different parts of your body, especially in your wrist. What is this? It's called
Pulse.
pulse. Say the word again.
Pulse.
Pulse. Say the word again.
Pulse.
Pulse, okay? So again, pulse is the beating of your heart that you feel in different parts of your body, especially in your wrist. Peter could feel his pulse in his wrist. Okay. So do you have any already the idea of what are the words we have? Okay. So our words are very important because we can all find this in our, where? In our body, right? Okay, so now in your book, page 116, you're gonna answer letter B and letter C. I'm going to give you a time to do this one, then afterwards we are going to check, okay? Okay, answers now. I'll give you 3 minutes to do it. Okay, then we will check your work afterwards if your answers are correct. Okay, put the following words into correct category. Okay, we have the word arteries, diaphragm, okay, heart, capillaries, veins, lungs, and trachea. Okay, so helps people breathe. What are those parts? Okay, helps move body. What are those? Or move blood. What are those parts? Okay, are you ready? Okay, so now let's check your answer. Okay, so here are the correct answers. So helps people breathe, we have the lungs, trachea, and diaphragm. And what about helps move blood? Artery, heart, veins, and capillaries. Okay? Okay, now let's go to true or false. A system is made up of many things. Is it true or false? It's true. Okay, you saw what are those parts, right? Or many things that we're talking about. Carbon dioxide is a liquid. It's false because it's a gas. Next, number 3. You have a pulse if you are alive. Yes. But if this pulse is stopped from working, it means you are dead. Okay, next. Only people have, blood. No, false. Even animals have blood as well. Okay? Did you all get the correct answer? Very good. Now let's move on. Page 117. Okay. So, before you read, think about this. When you breathe, do you breathe through your nose or mouth? What part of your body moves in and out? Okay, do you observe this one? Do you breathe, through your nose or your mouth? Yes, right? And then what part of your body moves in and out? It's your, in your chest part, right? Okay, very good. Okay, now let's go to this one. Learn sequence of actions. This is very important, most especially when you are writing or reading a story. Okay, so sequence of the action is when we are talking about the orders of events. Okay, so what are the words that give you a clue, or let you or helps you to understand the story? Okay, if what is the first sequence that happens or events that happens? Okay, so let's start. Many nonfiction readings describe important actions that happen in a specific order or sequence. Okay, specific order or sequence. Okay, look for clue words to help you understand the sequence. These words include first. Okay, when you say first, of course, the first thing happened. After this one, you will find the word next. Okay, then as a result, while, during, before, after, last, and finally. So these are the clues that will help you understand the sequence of events in the story or even when you are writing. Okay? So in the next story that we're gonna read, the title of our next story is about the human body systems at work. So in this story, this story is an informational text. You will read about 2 major systems in the human body and how they work together for good health. Remember, informational texts give information about a specific topic. Okay? So as you read, look for the clue that will help you understand the sequence of the action in the reading. Okay? So now before we read the story, there is one activity again in our book, page 117. I would like you to read the paragraph with me. Then afterwards, you have to arrange or number the action below in order, in which they happen. Okay? So this is it. Before Sarah goes jogging, she prepares her body for it. First, she stretches for 5 minutes. Next, she walks for 1 kilometer to get her legs warm up and ready for her jog. Then she jogs for 30 minutes. After jogging, she slows down and walks again for 2 kilometers. Finally, she stops and stretches for another 10 minutes. Now, I will be giving you, 2 minutes to do this activity. Then we will check your answer, okay? Timer starts now. Okay. Okay, now let's answer your word. Okay. So the first thing that happened the sequence of events is like this. First, she stretches for 5 minutes. And then after she stretches for 5 minutes, what did she do? She walks for 1 kilometer. And after that, she jogs for 30 minutes. And then she walks for 2 kilometers again. And then she stretches for 10 minutes, okay? This is the orders of the event that we read a while ago in the paragraph, right? So if you answer this correctly, it means you understand, you understand how, to arrange the sequence of events in the story. Okay. So before we read the story again, I'm going to explain the words in the context, okay? So listen carefully. So the first word in the words in context is
major,
major.
major,
So what is major? Okay? Major is a very large or important or serious. Okay? So this part is the major, our muscle or our skin is the major part of our body. Okay? So this is what we call major. Next, let's go to the next word. Okay, the next word is, okay, what is this word? Okay, pumps.
pumps,
Pumps. What is
Pumps.
pumps? Okay, pumps is,
forces a gas or a liquid to go in a particular direction.
okay, forces or gas or a liquid to go in a particular direction. So when you exercise or when you walk, okay, or jog, okay, your heart's work. It pumps the blood, goes to the different parts of our body. So pumping means going to a particular direction, just like what is happening to our, okay, to our blood when the heart pumps, okay, pumps inside our body. Okay, so that is what we call pumps. Pumps. Next word is, what is this word? Okay,
Tubes,
tubes.
tubes,
Tubes. Okay, what is tubes? Okay,
long, thin pipes for liquid or gas. Long, thin soft containers with a hole and a covering at one end.
okay, we can usually find this in the laboratory. Okay, it's a long thin pipes for liquid or gas. Okay, or a long thin soap containers with a hole here, and covering called cup at one end. Okay. This is usually used by the scientists inside the laboratory to make their scientific, okay, studies. Okay, next. Let's go to the next one. Next word is, okay, what is this?
Squeezes,
Squeezes.
squeezes,
Squeezes.
squeezes.
Okay, squeezes. Okay, squeezes means,
Presses something hard, goes into a small space, pushes too much into a small space.
okay, presses something hard, just like when you want to use the lemon or orange, you squeezes, so okay, the juice will come out from the, okay, from this fruit, right? Okay, so this is what we call squeezes. Okay, do you have any question about the words or did you learn the words in the words in the context in the word in page 116? Okay, now if you don't have any question about this one, we will now read the story. So I will be sending the audio in the group, okay? So as you read the story, listen with the, okay, audio as well. Read it silently and try to understand. And afterwards, in the second part of our lesson, we will be answering the questions in page 120 of your book. But please don't forget to answer the workbook activities, okay? Thank you.